Hey guys, I'm Steven and welcome to another Point A adventure. Well, we finally got our trailer, and if you've been watching the channel, we are doing a cargo trailer conversion. This is day one. So I want to take you through the trailer and just show you what it was that we got when we ordered it and kind of touch on our plans from here. So this is day one of our cargo trailer conversion. And what we've done so far is had outlets installed. This one's for the TV. There's outlets on the grounds for, lamps, whatever you need. We did have it wired for some lights, and we put in the AC. Now what we're working on is covering these walls. So the way it comes is these walls are particle board, bare particle board. And what we're doing is priming, and we're gonna paint. And one of the things we ran into was this caulking, which is everywhere, doesn't accept the paint. So I think what we'll do is put some sort of crown molding up here, some sort of floor molding, and just continue to cut the paint in around everything else. This is our first build. Whoa. So obviously there's going to be some learning involved, and the plan is to get this one out on the road and make it the best we can, and then focus on future builds and apply what we learned in this one to our future rigs. I had this trailer built by Covered Wagon, an amazing company to work with, by the way. And the things that I had them do were these two 30 by 30 RV windows. They open, nice big openings, and they are screened. Coming around the front, this is a 30 amp service. So we can plug into any campsite or even a household with a little adapter. Pretty standard on the tongue, but they did do, a rhino liner, and they blacked out everything, which we love the look. The blacked out diamond plate, blacked out tongue. Coming around this side, we had them add this. This is a RV door. Nice big window in the door. And of course, we added the screen door because we don't want to deal with bugs. We also added this security light on the outside, which is really nice at night when you're at the campground. And come on into the inside. This is a little bit of a construction site, but I'll run you through our plan. I am in the middle of priming and painting the inside, so it's a little bit of a mess. This is where our power comes in. We do have a backup battery, and that's what's powering the lights for now. When I ordered it, I had them wire this up for 3 different ceiling lights. We'll be putting those in. I also had them add the AC, and it also has a heat function. We thought about putting the AC in ourselves, but that would have left us with a big unit somewhere on the floor, and it would have taken up floor space that we really, really need. Now what we're gonna do over here is, they also added these vents, by the way. So we have one vent, which is gonna be inside what's gonna be the bathroom. We're gonna build a wall that comes out this way and goes this way. We'll have a door here, and you'll step inside, and there'll be a very small shower and toilet combo. We are using a composting toilet. I put a short out on that toilet. It gave you a little bit of a description, but I'll put a link to that toilet in the description of this video. We'll have a little shelf built here and some storage inside this little bathroom. For now, we're gonna leave this area open. We'll probably end up adding some storage later. So as I said before, there'll be a wall here, kitchen counter here, right, centered right with this window. We'll have a sink, we'll have a mini fridge, and we're probably gonna do a floor to ceiling cabinet through here. This area will be a couch that converts into a bed, and we're probably gonna do another big cabinet here. Now, as you can see, I'm priming and painting the part of the trailer that folds down. We also ordered some little feet that flip down for those that make this level, and our idea is to put some posts in each corner do a cargo net all the way around to keep our dogs in, and this will become like our little deck. So we'll put a nice rug out here. This is probably where table and chairs will go. Continuing to move around, TV will be mounted here. We'll have some high upper cabinets here. There's another vent to the outside so we can have a nice flow of fresh air. And I think that's about where we're at. Another thing I wanted to mention that we did before, or we did when we ordered this cargo trailer, is we decided to let the company, Covered Wagon, install the insulation. So behind these walls, under these floors, and above the ceiling is all insulated, which, you know, obviously is going to keep us cooler in the summer months and warmer in the winter. And when we looked at that line item, what they wanted to charge for the installation and the insulation itself was really not that bad. So that was something we decided to do. Also, just conceptually for this build, we are trying to do a very minimal design and also a build with no plumbing and very little elaborate electricity. So like I said before, we will have a composting toilet, and we're going to do an electric pump to the sink. And when we do the shower is actually going to be more of a camping style shower, something that will heat up the water and pump it through a sprayer. We had a van before. There's a couple reviews of that van on our channel, and one of the things that we disliked was how complex the systems were. So heating up the water for the shower, winterizing and emptying tanks, and we had a couple pipes burst in that van. So we didn't want to deal with any of those things. We just wanted to keep it clean, simple, easy to operate, and only put in here what we absolutely needed. I want to let you guys know to keep watching this video because we're going to be meeting with our contractor tomorrow, and we're going to go over some of these plans in detail. I'm sure he's going to have some great ideas, and more of this build will kind of solidify.
What are we doing, babe?
Well, we're trying to finalize the plans, and I think we have. This space is becoming a tight little shower and praying area.
Praying station.
Praying station. This will be the kitchen area to here. What do we say this is? What's the
Cabinetry.
size? I know.
Upper cabinet.
24?
Yeah, 24 by 9.
24-inch cabinet here. 24-inch cabinet here. The bed will be under here, which is also a couch.
60-inch on that wall.
60-inch cabinet on this wall that comes out 9 inches. TV mounted under here. And we're doing a lot of white. We're doing the white oak and really light colored flooring, so it'd be nice, light, and bright in here. And hopefully, I keep going back to floor space, but it feels like we have a heck of a lot more floor space than we did in the van. Watch out for the wet paint.
Oops.
So yesterday we put another piece of the puzzle in place. We found our tow vehicle, and a lot of you guys helped us out with this, so I want to say thank you for that. We ended up with a Ford F-150, as you can see. It's a V6. We like that because it's going to give us a little bit better gas mileage, and our plan is to take this trailer across the country several times. So the truck was a great deal. It had everything that we wanted. I do want to thank you again for watching all Point A Adventures videos and subscribing. The subscribers have been going through the roof lately, and we really appreciate that. And also, I just wanted to let you know that Point A Adventures has new merchandise. It's a whole new design from what you've seen in the past. We have t-shirts, hats, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, like you name it, the different types of merchandise. And it all comes with this design that I'm going to put on the screen right now.